What's up family, welcome to yet another valuable video. As you guys know, this is also going to be an update slash a strategy for you guys to learn. I did actually show the strategy in the first video, but I didn't feel like I actually titled it enough for the algorithm to actually attract you to this video for you guys to actually learn this strategy. It's quite amazing. They actually played out right now. If you're watching this video for the very first time, make sure you subscribe before you can actually go to the previous video I actually did. Watch out what I was talking about. From then on, you actually come back to this video and check out exactly how I break down the trade that we took, and it's so amazing. So yeah family, let's jump into the chart right now and let me break it down for you. Okay family, so as you can see, we're actually on the chart right now. Beautiful 1 hour chart. As you can see, we just hit take profit. So in fact, we did actually enter this trade yesterday. Amazing profits, banger in profits. So of course, let me just remove this other block that I put earlier on, that I said probably maybe in the New York session we might actually get it coming, but this is what took place within the London session. We just got the overlap of the London and the New York right now as I'm doing this video. So, but this is the explosive move that I got. This is around about 1:8 ratio. Beautiful, right? This is a beautiful trade, and I gave you guys the strategy, but let me just break it down for you. From the time I actually did this series, or I'll call it series, I did talk about actually selling all the way here. In the previous video, I did actually show you guys what actually caused this move. Now I was showing you exactly how to get this trade in terms of, you know, what we call the order breaker. Okay, so the order breaker strategy is basically when we want to when there is a demand level in the markets. So I'm gonna draw it for you. So when there's a demand level in the markets like this, for example, let's say this was your order block or your demand or supply level. In this case, we'll talk about the demand, because let's say you are anticipating that the market was in an uptrend. And of course, since maybe you anticipated that the market was in an uptrend and it was probably gonna come back, mitigate this and buy, it didn't actually do that. It actually broke through this order block that you had put. So it's almost like a failed order block. And once we have that failed order block, it's normally broken. Just watch the candlestick that breaks it. It should be an institutional candle or a liquidity candle. Once it breaks it, you want the market to come back, almost coming into the middle of that, or touching it or mitigating it, and that's when of course you can actually start selling. Okay, so family, once we've seen that, we can actually see that this actually is what took place in the markets today. As I let you know, is that we had an order breaker. As you can see, the market broke through that and of course came back and mitigated that beautifully. Also, a lot of people will highlight to me that we did have a fair value gap right here in between that. Yes, we did, and that was a beautiful trade as well. That could have been a confluence. Most of the time you will have it as a confluence to your setup, but I believe once you use this strategy, this edge, it's gonna be quite very beautiful. I also did share a more of a tip to say, if you miss this entry at the top here, you can actually have what we call a small pullback. And of course, this kind of strategy family, it's gonna actually just double your account. It's actually gonna help you to be very much profitable, to have good risk toward ratio when it comes to your winning rate or passing funded challenges. This is gonna be good if you look for this, especially having a change of character, and this takes place. I mean, you're gone. So as you can see this, if I took the trade almost at the breakout right there, as I've shown you this, you will see very well that I could have took that there, and I could have took my 1:1 ratio, and let's check it out. 1:1 ratio, this could have been the trade. Just at the breakout, small pullback. As I've said guys, a small pullback is something like this. And of course, once the market breaks there, so that's where you sell, and the market of course rallies all the way down. So that is a small pullback. And that's what I've been trying to teach you family. So with been very much profitable in this case with this trade, and I wanted to share it with you to be encouraged, with the post that I'm posting. It's not just some things that I just threw on YouTube so that you guys can see. It's valuable stuff. This is mentorship standard stuff, family, that I'm posting for you so that you can get this value in your life. As I said, this is to edify you when it comes to your trading journey overall. This is to increase your level of accuracy in the markets. So if you can really master this, backtest it, give yourself time, back test it in the market, I believe you will have a very beautiful accuracy thereof to show to your own funded account, and of course to be also proud of yourself while you've just earned yourself. And of course, if you're a bit busy and you're watching this after your work, we got signals, family. So I will send entries, I will send stop losses, take profits, about 3 take profits, so at least you can just take profit gradually as I give those. So those signals are available. I'll just put the poster right here. You can actually get to see $60 per month for NASDAQ signals. I don't only just give NASDAQ, I give indexes. So you can get DAX 30, you can get NASDAQ, you can get US 30, but mainly it's just NASDAQ signals. So far we're still finding our accuracy, but we've just maintained a good accuracy over 90% so far, and I'm striving to maintain that as we go into this year and go into this month. I want to maintain that level. 90% so far. I cannot complain, my clients cannot complain, because it's just amazing in terms of that level of accuracy. So I hope, family, you've been blessed by this video. Go ahead, I can show you as much, I can preach to you as you'll be blue by the time I'm finished. If you're not gonna apply it, you're not gonna be profitable in the market. So we actually want you to put in the work. Every educational video needs you to put in the work, and then therefore you actually get to see results. Okay, thank you so much, family, for watching this. Make sure that you get to subscribe if you're a first-time viewer, and of course, if this has blessed you so much, make sure to actually comment down below. Some of you actually saw this setup, right? So if you saw the setup and you took it, also just inbox us, send your results, family, because I did give you this all the way from the beginning of this, family. I did give you this setup all the way from the sniper entry as it turned around for this week. So for those who will be watching it later on, this is just for educational purposes, of course. God bless you. Thank you so much, family. I love you.